Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. So I know it's been a while, but we're back on the vlogs. So it is Friday. I have the day off today. I just woke up. My hair looks kind of crazy, so I'm gonna get ready because I have a couple errands to run and I'm gonna take you guys along for that. So yeah, I'm gonna get ready, do my makeup, and head out the door. So I will see you all in a little bit. Actually on my way to go get Starbucks and run all my errands. So yeah, I filmed a little quick makeup look on this look right here. Super easy, super quick. So that video will be up before this one, so make sure you go check it out. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go get Starbucks, then I'm gonna go return an Amazon package, go to Home Goods, and I think I'm gonna go grocery shopping while I'm out. But I'll obviously keep you guys posted, and I'll see you all in a little bit. Okay, so I just got my Starbucks order. I ended up getting a tall blonde roast. I always get that black. So good. And then I also got a venti ice water. And now I'm on my way to drop off a package at UPS and then Home Goods. So yeah, that was like really quick. So I live close to the city, and there was a little bit of traffic, so I think it's all the people trying to get into the city. So I just beat all that, which was really nice. And yeah, on my way to UPS. All right guys, see you in a bit. Hi guys, so I ended up going to UPS, returning that package, and then I actually just ended up going food shopping because Trader Joe's is right here. So got all my stuff for the week. Steve should be excited because he doesn't have to do that anymore, well, for the weekend. So yeah, got all the stuff. And now I'm on my way to TJ Maxx Home Goods because I have to return 2 lamps that I got, and then I have to find another lamp for my nightstand table, so I'll show you guys that. And I'm trying to get a car wash, so again, it's a full day of errands, and yeah, take you guys along for all that. When I get home, I'll show you guys a grocery haul, and then I'll like recap you on like what we're gonna eat for lunches and dinner this week, just trying to be a little bit healthier. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Hi guys, so I just got done from TJ Maxx. I ended up finding everything I needed, which was great. I'm so excited. I'm going to show you guys what I got when I get home. But yeah, I think I'm done with all my errands. Oh, I'm going to go wash my car, but I'm going to drop off my groceries and the things I bought at TJ Maxx first at home. And then I'm going to go get a car wash. And yeah, so right now it is 11:40. I didn't eat breakfast. I just had my coffee and my water, so I might just eat like a little snack, but I'll show you guys what I ended up doing. And yeah, all right guys, I'm gonna drive home real quick and I'll see you all in a bit. Bye. So here's the update. I was supposed to go home, but I ended up actually going to Pier 1 because they were having a sale, and nothing was like really catching my eye, so I just skimmed around, I guess. Like, they were having a really good sale. They were having an additional 20% off, and then in addition to that, they were having like a 10% off, like wall decor, like all that stuff. So it was good, but nothing really fit like my theme of my home, so I didn't get anything. And then it's 12 o'clock now, so I'm starving. I ended up getting Chipotle for lunch, so I have that right next to me, and I'm gonna go ahead, go home, bring everything in, eat my Chipotle, and then I'm gonna show you guys my bedroom that I updated because I don't think you guys saw it, so I'm gonna show you guys. And what else? Oh, I still have to get a car wash. I can't forget to get a car wash because my car has it just needs a little bit of love because it does. So yeah, all right, I'm gonna go home, do all the things, eat, and then go get my car washed. All right guys, see you later. Okay, so here is an overview of everything I got for the week. So I'm just gonna like show you everything and tell you what I'm gonna make with it. So to start off over here, I got romaine hearts. I'm gonna make a salad, so I have romaine hearts. I also bought tomatoes and cucumbers, so I'll make that with the salad. And then to put on top of like veggie bowls that we're gonna do, I also have broccoli florets. These are just super quick, easy to either roast or air fry them or just eat them raw. Then to also put in the bowls, I have some pico. So we just got like the mild. There used to be a medium, but I don't know what happened. Now it's just mild and hot. So I got the mild. I ended up getting some garlic, red onion, also for the Buddha bowls, some pink lady apples. These bananas, they're not ripe yet, so we're just gonna hang on to those. I also got lemon pepper chicken, super good to do like a salad with grilled chicken on top. I got red seedless grapes and blueberries. Then I ended up getting some popcorn, almond milk, my favorite sparkling water. We needed olive oil and lemons. Everything else I have, so I have pasta, I have brown rice, I have lentils, beans, corn, and garbanzo beans. So I'm good on like the beans aspect, so this is just everything else that I need for the week. Oh, and we also got our favorite gum. This is Steve's and I's favorite gum. So we got two, one for him, one for me. So yeah, that's everything I got at Trader Joe's. All right guys, so I'm just gonna put everything away and then I'm gonna eat my Chipotle before it gets cold, and I'll show you guys the room and everything I got from TJ Maxx. Okay guys, see you in a little bit. I just wanted to quickly show you the couple things that I got at Home Goods or TJ Maxx, whatever. So I got this lamp. I actually have another one just like it. I was just looking for the matching one for Steve's nightside. For Steve's side and to put on top of his nightstand. So this is by the brand J Hunt. It is super cute. I love the gold detailing, and then and then just the plain lampshade. This was actually 20 bucks, super inexpensive and super cute, so I got this one. And then I ended up getting this 2-level fruit thing, so I can put like bananas and apples here, and then like, I don't know, lemons and other things up here. And this was, how much was this? $12.99. So super nice for the kitchen. I also, so I saw this yesterday on Instagram, on like those sponsored posts, like those random things that come up, and it's so weird because I just found it today at TJ Maxx. So it's this brush cleaner, which I'm really excited to use, and it was like super inexpensive. It was like 14 bucks, $15, not that bad, and I'm really excited. I hope that this actually works because then it's gonna make cleaning my brushes that much easier. So I'm gonna try it out. So I got this, and then I also ended up picking up a planner. I ordered a planner from Amazon and it was not what I expected. That's actually one of the things that I went to return this morning. So I picked up this planner, super cute. It says 2020 on it, and then what I like is that it has like a little folder to add any little things that I need, and then and then it has like the little saying in it, and I don't know, I just like the layout of this one. Let me show you guys so you guys can kind of see. Okay, so I like that it has lines. It's because some of them don't. And then obviously it has the, if you can hear that, it's Milo and West are playing. It has like the monthly layout, which I really like. So yeah, those are just the things that I got today. I'm actually gonna go put this one in the room. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Okay guys, so here is an overview of the room and everything we did, and there's my super cute, kind of sleepy little freaking nugget. Love him so much. Okay, so here's what it looks like. We also added this lampshade from IKEA, and then the blinds, kind of to make it like boho romantic-y vibes, I guess. I'm still missing a rug, gotta get that, so that's on the list. But yeah, these are the tables that we got from TJ Maxx a little while ago, maybe like a week ago. And then I ended up getting this lamp and the matching one right there that I got today. And all this, like the two, I'll show you guys. This little throw is from TJ, and then this big pillow is also from TJ, and then these two are from TJ. The back one I think is from Target. It's like a big black long black one, and then these two, I think we got these with like our bed sheets, but I can't remember where. Maybe TJ Maxx, maybe Home Goods, or Target. I can't remember, but this is what it looks like. I think it looks so cute. Very like boho-y vibes. I love it. I also want to add like decor right there, like right around there. I want to add like wall art. I'm just not sure what yet, but it has to go in with a theme, so still working on that. But so far so good, I think. Super cute, and I just have to get rid of the plastic around the lampshades. But yeah, I'm really liking this room. It's like, it's soft and it's inviting, and I love the textures and the patterns and everything. And I just love how like Miley like blends in. He's so cute. He's like, enough mom, I'm over you. Okay, so yeah, this is what it looks like so far. Once I keep adding more and everything, I'll keep you guys posted. But yeah, this is my bedroom. Hey guys, so I've been not like really relaxing. I've been doing like research on my phone and stuff. I'm in the living room with the boys. Just been looking at stuff like home decor and like recipes and just all the things, kind of like mentally prepping for the next couple weeks and things I want to do and inspo and all that stuff. So yeah, that's what I've been doing. My hair is kind of crazy. Trying to fix it over here. Okay, I think that's like the best it's gonna get. But anyways, so yeah, that's what I've been doing. Just hanging out with my boys, just researching on my phone, all the things. Steve is about to get off work in like 15-20 minutes, and then he's gonna take like an hour to get home. So I'm gonna tidy up real quick and get everything ready, so when he comes we can oh, I didn't tell you guys, we are actually like renovating our basement. So when he comes, we're gonna actually work on that. We are like doing the kitchen, the bathroom, living room, literally everything. So that's what we're gonna do. I'll show you guys a little bit of the before. It's crazy messy because we've been like painting and moving things around, so it looks kind of crazy, but I'll try to show you guys some of it. So yeah, I'm gonna get my little butt up and get to cleaning, so when he comes everything's done and we can just go ahead and get started. All right guys, I'll see you all later. Hi guys, so it's a little bit later. Steve's here, we have the boys, and Steve's running to get dinner. He's getting Chipotle. I have my leftover Chipotle, so we're gonna have that for dinner. I totally forgot to show you guys, we went downstairs, we did a couple things, nothing major, just like cleaning hardware and stuff. I forgot to show you, so maybe tomorrow I'll try to show you guys really quick what it looks like before it's all done. So yeah, this is just a little project we've been working on for the past couple days, and yeah, it'll be nice when it's all done. So we're just gonna get dinner, relax, because it is a Friday night, and then we're gonna be so busy this weekend, so lots and lots of coffee to be had for sure. All right guys, so I will see you all a little bit later. Hi guys, so it's a little bit later. I'm just gonna go ahead and get to bed. Steve's already there. He's like so exhausted. I'm just gonna take off my makeup and get ready for bed. So I will see you all tomorrow. All right, bye guys. Hi guys, happy Saturday. So we are here with Steve and the boys, and we're on our way to go to the vet because Wes has an appointment with the vet to go get his shot, his seasonal shot for his allergies, so that'll be super quick. Steve ended up getting us breakfast. He got iced coffee and I got a cold brew from Dunkin', and I also got, we both got bagels. What? Oh. We also got bagels. So that's breakfast for today. It is so hot out. It's like 61 degrees, and that is a shocker because it's been like 30 something, like super cold. So it is so beautiful out today, and we have so much to do. We're doing, I told you guys, like the basement, and like we still have to like take pictures, and we're just so busy because tomorrow supposedly is gonna rain. So we're trying to get everything done today so tomorrow we can have a beautiful, relaxing day. So yeah, that's the plan for today. Just gonna hang out. Well, not hang out. We're gonna work and do all the things we have to do, and then yeah, I'm gonna try to take you guys along. But first, the vet. All right, guys, so we're gonna drive there and I'll see you all later. Hey guys, so we just got home. I just changed into like something a little bit comfortable because I'm gonna go downstairs and get to work. Steve's dad is already downstairs helping us. So yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and do that. We're gonna do that for a couple hours and I'll keep you guys posted on everything we're doing. All right, guys, I will see you all later. Hi guys, happy Sunday. I clearly just woke up. I totally forgot to end the vlog yesterday, but we were just working downstairs pretty late. Came home and just passed out because we were just so exhausted. So Steve just got his breakfast, got me cold brew from Dunkin' and empanadas. So we're just gonna eat that for breakfast and then get to work. We're trying to take alpha pics today because it's nice out. It wasn't supposed to be rainy, so we're gonna do that. And we're gonna get to work again. So I'm gonna keep you guys posted and updated, but yeah, I'm just so exhausted. So I need to chug this cold brew just to get some energy. So yeah, all right guys, I'll see you all in a bit. Hey guys, so we just got home like a little while ago. We're done taking outfit pics. We went shopping for all the things that we needed to for the stuff downstairs. I'm gonna change, get ready, and start painting and all that stuff. So I'm gonna take you guys along in the journey and hopefully, fingers crossed, you finish today, but I'll obviously keep you guys posted. All right guys, I'll see you in a bit. Hi guys, so we took a break to eat like a late lunch, early dinner. We ordered Chinese. We got done painting the kitchen. Now we're painting the living room. I'm gonna show you guys like a little in between progress clip, so I'll do that right after we're done eating. So we're just gonna eat and then we're gonna head back downstairs for round 2. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Hi guys, so it's a little bit later. We finished with stuff downstairs, painting and everything. Now we came back, we showered, I'm letting my hair air dry. Steve is making his little overnight oats over there. And then I'm prepping lunch. We're having veggie bowls for lunch tomorrow. So that's what I'm doing. And yeah, we're gonna be doing this and then gonna go relax for a little bit. I think it's like 9:30ish. So yeah, we're gonna do that and then go to bed. All right guys, so I will see you in a little bit. Hi guys, so it's about to be 11 o'clock and Steve and I finished prepping for the week. And he's laying next to me. He's gonna go to bed. Say hi. Yeah, we're just so beat from today. My hair is practically dried already. I did my skincare routine. I have my Laneige lip mask on. I'm just writing my little to-do list in my notebook, and then we're gonna head to bed. The boys are here with us. Wes is by my feet and Miley is tucked in already for bed. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.